Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the prestigious, family friendly enclave of West Palm Gardens, Mandeville. This magnificent 7 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom residence is a true definition of elegance, comfort, and opportunity. Sitting on 19,874 square feet of flat, beautifully maintained land, this stunning Mandeville property is a rare gem in one of the town's most sought after communities. From its authentic two-car covered garage, charming gazebo style front patio and balcony, to the abundance of additional parking. Every inch of this home showcases exceptional architectural details, a haven for the discerning buyer, with an eye for timeless beauty. Equipped with a standby generator and water tank, this home offers peace of mind and complete convenience. The basement features a self-contained one-bedroom flat, perfect for income generation or hosting guests. This property is also horticultural paradise, offering a rich connection to nature with mature lychee trees, apple, pear, ackee, and banana. Here you will be surrounded by nature's bounty in the cool, refreshing hills of Mandeville. This is more than just a house. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to own a piece of Mandeville's finest real estate. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 72 million, US 456.3 thousand, Canadian 653.2 thousand, Euro 419.1 thousand, or 354.6 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.